Reptiles, man. Reptiles are the most, man. Let me tell you something, man. When I think about a reptile, the first reptile that comes to my mind is a Komodo dragon. A Komodo dragon is a fucking dinosaur. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. That's a fucking dinosaur. And that is the most cruelest motherfucking creature. Man, snakes are cruel too. They cruel. They just, snakes, reticulated pythons, anacondas. Man, I seen an anaconda so big. Listen, man, I was on YouTube, man. I saw a goddamn anaconda so big it looked like one of them fucking anacondas in the movie. I'm swear, this motherfucker was huge. It was swimming in the water, and these damn tourists, they were in the boat and they grabbed the motherfucking tail of it. This shit was big as hell. I said, man,